Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the third day of Christmas at the Smart Woodshop. I've chosen 12 perfect gifts for the woodworker in your life, and each of the 12 days of Christmas, I'm telling you about one. Today's is kind of unique in that I actually have gone most of my career without this. There are other tools you can use that will do what this does. And I've had variations on this. I won't say I haven't had this before, but not to this level. And I've known about them, and I just have avoided having more tools. It's one of those things that I do in the Smart Woodshop. I like to leverage the tools that I have, use them for multiple things. But sometimes I fight myself, and this is one of those cases. Since I've got these, I use them every single day and almost every setup. And they are so nice. They help me with my production and my accuracy. Setup blocks. That's all they are. They are just blocks that are perfectly dimensioned to help you set up your machinery. Whether you're setting up a drill press, or the table saw blade height, or the spacing from the fence, or your router bits. There's so many things that these can be used for. And if you follow the Smart Woodshop, you've seen me set up my router table so many times with a really nice scale, and I get down and I dial it in until it's right to where I want it. But I'll tell you, it is hard to be more accurate than your hand feeling the top of that blade. You don't even need to look at it. You can dial it until it's right there. And the sensitivity on your finger is more accurate than what your eye can pick up looking at a scale. This is the most expensive gift on my list this year. It's $45, but this is metric. I chose to go with metric. This same company makes the exact same kit in Imperial, and it's $10 less. This kit has a good range of 15 blocks, all the way from 1 millimeter, and I'm assuming on the Imperial that would be 1/16, and then stepping its way up to 5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, all the way up to 20. And they have scales on them, both directions. You can actually use this as a small ruler if you are trying to dial things in, and they tell you right on the side of each one how long it is and how tall it is. And then finally, the Big Mac Daddy. This one is 20 by 50 by 75, big solid block aluminum. There's different colors too, but the Smart Woodshop's favorite color is orange, so I had to go with that. You'll find this kit in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com, but I will provide a direct affiliate link with Amazon in the description of this video down below. Be sure to stop by tomorrow for the fourth day of Christmas. Merry Christmas.